Good evening, everybody. It's now June 20th, 2020, 8:43 p.m. Sunset's 9:21 p.m. So, I don't know, what? A little less than an hour away from sunset. But they've been spraying really heavy today, as you can see. I'm not going to get out of the car. Get all bit up. But, yeah. Some of this is from them spraying, and some of them are system trails, everybody. It's not all from spraying. A lot of it is, so. But I want to put the solar filter on here real quick, so hold on. Okay, right now I got a solar filter, an actual solar filter over my lens. Get a screenshot. And I really don't see much of the solar filter right now. Okay. Took the solar filter off. It's weird how you got the beam of light at the 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock position and the 4 or 5 o'clock position. It's just kind of strange how that's light's beaming down from there. Wow, you can see the red getting around that now. Look at all the red iron oxide. Wow. I'm gonna get my other camera out, everybody. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm using my other camera right now. A bunch of birds sitting up here on the wire. Man, is that insane looking or what? Look at how red it is, everybody. It's pretty wild looking. Looks awful dark. Like I say, they've been spraying pretty good today. And it's all over here by the sun. Okay, I'm going to pause it a few minutes. Okay, here's what I did, everybody. I got my phone on this suction cup here, my other phone, and using a solar filter. To look at this. Pretty interesting. I want to see something here. I'm sorry. Yeah, it almost like there's a big ball back behind the sun. It's really weird to have a yellow ring. You got the white ball, and then you got the yellow ring, and then you got like a red ring behind that. Huh. Pause it again. And it is so crazy looking. red it's getting. Wow, pretty cool. Almost looks like a face right there. Ah, that's just so weird looking. I'm gonna try to get up early tomorrow and head down to the lake. Seems I don't gotta work. Should be able to get a pretty good video as long as the weather holds out. Been nice weather here in Michigan for the last several days. I mean, after last weekend was freezing. Okay, let's pause it again. Okay, now everybody look around the sun. Look at all that cloud formation and stuff coming in. System trails and debris. Just amazing how you only see it around sunset. What's that white spot in there? Look right down at 7 o'clock. What's that white spot? It's almost like I'm picking up two suns there. Huh. Went right down behind all that. See what I'm saying, everybody? Look at that. Like a second sun there, or what? And this PlanetX system sure can mess with you. Wow, gone that quick. I'm gonna pause this second, everybody. I gotta take my shut down the one with the solar filter. I mean, look at that, everybody. Look how that cloud bank there just come in and block that all out. And it extends. Look at that horizon. Huh. They were spraying for a reason today. Well, I think I'm going to end it now, everybody. You got to see that. The sun's down. It's going to get pretty interesting, though. I know as soon as I leave, I'll regret leaving. I'm going to just pause it a couple minutes, everybody, and I'll be right back. And look how crazy that looks. Big old debris field there on that horizon there. Got one on that side and you got one over on the other side. I mean, sorry everybody, the bugs are starting to get to me. Man, is that crazy? Okay, everybody, I think this video is long enough. We got to see that anyway. I mean, crazy times. And this PlanetX system's so close now, it's unreal. So with that, I'm going to end it. Thank everybody for watching. Go check out Roger, Paul, and Our Skies Today channel too, everybody. Come over there. Sub us there too. Roger's been getting some amazing, incredible stuff. Good friend of mine. With that, everybody, I'm going to let it go. Have a blessed night. Keep safe. Keep your eyes to the sky. God bless you. Later.